how gloriously, majestically, happily Gangaji flows. Incessantly she flows towards her goal. Starting from the mountains, from the glacier of Gomukh, she flows incessantly till she reaches her goal at Ganga Sagar and merges with the oceans. All of us have various goals in life. Are we marching towards these goals with inspiration, with grace, with majesty, with strength? Gangaji is not perturbed by any obstacles that come on her way. There could be small pebbles, there could be big boulders, there could be huge mountains, but she continues to flow on. We must learn to flow in life. Not to get stagnated, not to get stressed, but strive with great sincerity, with great strength and with self-knowledge. Just like the flow of Mother Ganga is the flow of Mother Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita overflows from the heart of the Lord and has manifested through the divine song of the Lord for the well-being of all of us. Gita me hridayam partha, Gita me chottamam griham, Gita jnanam upashritya trilokan palayamyaham, says the Lord in the Varaha Puran in Gita Mahatmyam. That Gita is the heart of the Lord. It is the home of the Lord. And abiding in this knowledge of the Gita, the Lord takes care of the entire universe. So powerful, graceful, majestic is the knowledge of the Gita. If Bhagwan can manage the entire creation anchored in this knowledge, we can definitely manage our life, overcome our challenges, and live a happy, successful, purposeful, and serviceful life. The essence of the Gita is in the second chapter. It is called as the Sankhya Yoga. 72 verses cover most beautiful topics like how to invoke inner strength, how to increase self-confidence, what is the need of surrender in life, how surrender opens up our mind, the knowledge about equanimity, about self-knowledge, the immortality of the soul, how to act selflessly in the world in the spirit of Karma Yoga. What exactly is Karma Yoga? What would happen if we serve selflessly? How we prepare ourselves for deeper spiritual realizations through Karma Yoga? What is the state of realization? What happens after realization? How does a person who has realized the self live in the world? So many beautiful topics are there in the second chapter, and we are going to study the second chapter of the Gita verse by verse. Welcome to #Gita700. Join us in the study of the second chapter of the Gita verse by verse.